Hello, guys. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I posted a video on my channel some days ago, and I've been getting lots of reactions and comments to do a breakdown on the video. So let's take a look at the video.
Great is your mercy.
So we're going to be breaking down this the beginning part of the video, which I played. So let's learn the original chords for the song before we do the chord reharmonization I did on the song. So we have the first thing you have is great is your mercy towards me. So I mean this is on the key of F, sorry. So yeah. So you have great is your mercy. So you have great is your mercy towards me. Your love and kindness towards me. Your tender mercies I see. Day after day, forever. Same thing. So I'll play this slow because of time. So I'll play this slow so you can look at the chords on the screen so you can learn them. So first chord you have, or you can still replace this with, which is A diminished 7. So you have this, then your mercies. So there is your, so you're still remaining here. Your mercies towards me. To your 5. Then your loving kindness towards me, which is your 4. But the 4 should be B flat major 7. So you have this instead. So your loving kind, and also ahead the 1 is kindness. So you have 5 1, but your left is on 1. Towards me, right? So same thing. Your tender mercies I see. Day after, okay, day after day, B major, sorry, D major. Day after day, come back to A minor, then. So great is your mercies, your loving kindness towards me, your tender mercies I see. Day after day, then So now that we've understood what the main song is like, so let's reharmonize the song. So the first chord I played was great. So my left hand was playing D, A, and C sharp. My right hand rather was playing F sharp, B, C sharp, and F sharp. So you have D, A, and C sharp. Yeah, D, A, C sharp, and then it's coming in slow. So the C sharp is great. So you have this as great. Then coming down to here, grace, grace. Next chord, left hand, you have E, C, and D. Right hand, you have G, C, D, and G. So grace. So the C, there's a slow from the C to D. So grace. Then here also, yeah. Left hand, F sharp and E. Right hand, A, E, and A. So you have the slow from D to E. So all of them have this similarity of slow. Down, down, down. So great is your. If you don't want to put the slow in, you can just drop it. Great is your. Instead of the slow, you do. You can do. So you're my. So from this great is your, you have one your, then your my. The next chord was your. So left hand you have B and E flat. Right hand you have A, C, F, and A. So you have great is your my. Then C's. So the chord for C's. C's, left hand you have F dominant 7, which F, C, E flat. Right hand you have B flat, E flat, G, and B flat. Or you can do E flat. You can do B flat, E flat, F, and B flat. So you have mercies or mercies. So let's go from the top. Great is your mercies towards me. So this is, you have A over B, A major chord, or you can do the A suspended 2, which is, well, I did this instead. So great your mercies towards me. So to make it spicy, sometimes you can make the B a dominant 7, so that it has this A here. Then you have this. So let's work with this now. B, F sharp and A on your left hand. On your right hand you have E, A, B, and E. So you have then your loving. So this is your normal 5. Your loving kindness towards. And we noticed that while I was doing this reharmonization, my melody is always on top. So your melody in front of your chord reharmonization helps it to have precision, helps it to, it gives it more beauty instead of the random you have to, you have to separate your melody from everything you are doing. So also for, okay, let's go from the top. Great is your mercy towards me. Then you can do your 5 your like this. You can still do your 5 with the slow from A to B. Your, I think this is what I did in the original video. So your loving kindness. Yeah. So your A to B. Your Lord, and you walk it down. Sol latido. Your. So let me spell the chord out. C D A. Sorry, C G D and E on your left hand. On your right hand, you have the slow from A to B with E at the melody on your pinky. So then you work it. Your Lord. So on your left hand, you have D, B flat, and C. On your right hand, you have F, B flat, C, and F. So your love. Then you're doing left hand E, C, D. Right hand G, C, D, G. So your loving kindness, right? So earnest. Then you come back towards me. So this is like a passing move from your 1 to your 4. So towards me. So your left hand is playing B and E flat. Your right hand is playing A, D, and F. You can still slow also. Towards me. Left hand E flat, B flat and D. Right hand F, A, and D. So, or you can do this instead. That's an extension of same thing here. So I did towards me. Then you do it. Or you can do so day after day, instead of D major, you have D major, but on your D major on your left hand, but your right hand is playing A. Or you can still play the A6. So you have day after day, forever. Okay, so let me teach you one thing I do for my, before I go to my 4. So I think that can work. So you are forever faithful. I won't spell it, but you can just look through the screen. Forever faithful towards me. Towards me. Great is your mercy. Then I did this lick. is your grace. So let me break this down. It's when you get to mercy towards me, your loving kindness towards me, mercy, day after day. Then this is where you do it day after day. So this is the note. Or you can. Then you take which will take you to your D major. So let's try that. So you get, that's how it works. You can also add that. So thank you all for watching till the end. Please, if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, please subscribe, drop a comment, share. And also, if you have anything you want me to do a breakdown on, you can drop it on the comment section. Thank you all for watching. God bless you.